Hi everyone. Some time ago, Annika Schlüter and I wrote a blog post explaining how to get access to the lab space in SAP Signavio and the apps which are available there. Since then, the process has been significantly simplified. And you can now see the updated procedure in this video. All you need to do is to go to the lab space in SAP Signavio, select the relevant app, and fill in the required details. You will then receive your TER and gain access to the app after a couple of hours. This new approach makes access much easier and allows you to start testing and exploring your app even faster. We hope this helps you to get started smoothly. Have fun exploring the new apps in the lab space in SAP Signavio. Bye.